In this video I'm going to show you how to add bold text on Facebook post. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. And as you can see, I write some text on my Facebook post, but it's normal text. So I'm going to bold this text. So go back and open any browser like Google Chrome and searching for bold text generator. Then here is lots of result, but I prefer this website. And tap on, and it's open to box, and enter your text like that. Write your text here, then here showing result, lots of different type of bold text result. You can copy from here. I just copy this second one, then copy and back to Facebook and paste here. As you can see difference between these two texts. Then tap to next and share on your Facebook. So that way you can add bold text on Facebook post. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.